This video is going to show you how to create holes without using a sketch and without placing center points. What I will say is I would prefer to see you create a sketch and place those center points. Right now I have this feature drawn. I'm just going to immediately click on the hole feature, and by default the hole feature recognizes that I don't have a sketch to be using. So it defaults to linear, and what that does is it allows me to select the face that I need a hole drilled on. It approximates where you click on it, and then you have to reference two edges. Even when you're creating that sketch and you're placing that center point, you should be dimensioning left to right and up and down on that sketch, and that's what this is doing. So off my reference edge, if I come onto my face and I click on this top edge, notice that it immediately is looking for a dimension. And I can go ahead and type that in. It defaults over here to select a second reference edge. I would select my vertical line there, let's say 1.5, and now I have the center place or center point of that hole. Notice that it's defaulting to cut all the way through the part. If that's what I needed to do, I could do that. Or again, if I want to say distance, I could specify a distance that is that thickness, or even say 2, and it allows me to select what I want to go to in terms of that hole. So let's just make this, I don't know, a 2-inch hole and see if that fits. It doesn't quite fit, so we'll make it a 1.5-inch hole. All right, but that's how you would use the linear feature and set that up. But I also have a concentric feature that allows me to choose the plane or the face that I'm using, and then the concentric reference, which in this case would be that outside circle, and that aligns those center points. So again, distance, I could specify, I could say all the way through the part, or I could say 2 and click on that face and it would do it. So there are ways to create those holes without doing a sketch, but again, I would say that from my perspective it would not be the preferred method.